Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Welcome, everyone, to the exciting world of PUBG Mobile Timi 2025. This version brings a fresh take on the classic battle royale you know and love, refined and updated for the coming year. Get ready to dive into a more immersive experience with enhanced graphics and smoother gameplay designed to keep you on the edge of your seat. We're here to help you get started, covering all the essentials you'll need for success on the battlefield. To kick things off, mastering core mechanics is key. Always prioritize looting efficiently as soon as you land, picking up essentials like armor, a good weapon, and healing items. Pay close attention to your map for safe zone movements and rotate early to avoid getting caught outside the play area. Keeping a keen eye and ear on your surroundings will give you a major edge, helping you spot enemies before they see you. Winning gunfights often comes down to skill and smart decisions. Work on your aiming and controlling weapon recoil, as this is fundamental to landing those crucial shots. Always seek out and use natural cover whenever you engage an enemy, shielding yourself from damage and gaining a tactical advantage. If you're playing with a squad, clear and constant communication about enemy positions and plans can turn the tide in any battle. Beyond the basics, strategic thinking helps you secure that chicken dinner. Understanding how the safe zone shrinks and anticipating where other players will move gives you an edge in the late game. Vehicles are great for fast travel, but remember, they can also alert enemies to your presence. And always prioritize reviving your fallen teammates safely. A full squad has a much better chance of winning the final engagements. Finally, remember to stay updated with all the new content PUBG Mobile Timi 2025 offers. Regular events, new game modes, and seasonal updates keep the experience fresh and exciting, so always check what's new. Joining the community can also enhance your experience, connecting you with fellow players and valuable insights. Most importantly, have fun, experiment with new strategies, and enjoy the thrill of the battle royale.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.